Guys, I've been getting great sleep because he's using these. This stuff keeps him from snoring all night long, so I actually get to sleep at night. He's been also saying that he's been getting the best sleep ever. It does say that it helps with deeper sleep and REM cycles, so you will be in your REM state the entire sleep. It's also made out of silk, so it's way better for your skin, better than paper or cotton. And you get 30 mouth tapes and 30 nose strips per pack, so it's a full 30-day supply for only $9.99 in the TikTok shop. But I'll leave a link down here if you want to get anyone something for Christmas.